So this video right here you're seeing right now, well, it got around 300,000 views and it made around $5,000 from YouTube revenue. Now you might be asking me, Tommy, okay, that's awesome, but what does that mean for your entire channel? Because I know when people watch one video, they watch another video, so that means that you got a lot more money in total in the entire channel. The answer is yes. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much money the entire channel made and how it actually happened and why it actually happened. Now, if you guys don't know me, my name is Tommy Bryson. I'm an accountant. I post videos on YouTube every single day. Subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. On top of that, hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And here's a question for you guys, okay? How much money do you think the channel made in total? Comment down below. Let me know. And here's an entire benchmark for you guys, or a little hint. Well, I guarantee you, well, not guarantee, I'm telling you, the channel made 5 figures in income in 1 month because this one video blew up, and this channel only has around 31,000 subscribers. So in reality, you might think, hey Tommy, the channel's too small to make that type of money, but this channel right here made 5 figures in income from having one video blow up. So comment down below and let me know how much money you think this channel made. And just so you guys have a perspective of how money works on YouTube and how we actually get paid, well, the answer is this, guys. Imagine you have a business, right? By the way, YouTube is responsible for putting ads on these videos, making sure you guys watch ads and all that fancy stuff. But in reality, the people that pay for those ads are businesses. Real businesses. So in reality, so imagine this, right, guys? You know, here's my channel. I have a channel about, budgets, making more money, side hustles, and all this fancy stuff was all about making you guys more money, right? So you guys, the viewer, are more expensive because, hey, here comes along a business that's selling a course for $1,000, so he wants to put this entire course ad in my video because he knows that you guys are gonna watch it and maybe one of you guys might buy it. So they might say, hey, let's spend $1,000 or maybe like $50 on having 1,000 people watch this one ad, and guess what happens? One of you guys buys this course for $1,000. It means that this business just made a lot of money. So it means that my channel, because the type of viewership I have, which is you guys here, they're very expensive, well, the channel makes a lot more money. So for example, imagine I had a gaming channel and this channel got like 1,000 views, right? Well, the advertiser, the business might say like, hey, I'll pay you $2 to sell my game because, hey, only 1% of people might actually buy it and I won't really make that much money from it, okay? So it all depends, again, on the type of audience you have, but also on the product the business is selling. So they might be willing to pay a lot more money for these games and books and courses and stuff like that. So it all depends on how much money it costs, and the advertiser, which translates to how much money we actually make as a YouTuber. So again, I make videos on budget, making money. So you guys here are people with money that want to make more money and try to hustle. So people might try to advertise you guys products that cost a lot of money to get you to make money, stuff like that, but it costs way too much if you ask me. So that's how it works, guys. And you might be telling me, Tommy, okay, I understand that, but show me your analytics, bro. Like, how much money did you actually make? And let's go into it right now. I'll show you right now. So here we are, guys, in my analytics. I'm gonna show you exactly that it's me. I'm gonna refresh the page right now. And as you guys can see, well, let's refresh the page first, okay? As you guys can see right now, well, the channel had around 675,000 views, and that translated into $10,839.16, which is a lot of money if you ask me. On top of that, it gained us around 19,000 subscribers and around 3.2 million minutes watched of our content, and that is an insane number to even think about if you ask me, okay? Now, you might be asking me, Tommy, what was the peak? What was its lowest point, and how did that all work out, okay? Well, the answer is this. At its lowest point, the channel made around, what is it, right here? Around $551, and at its peak, it made around $716, and now the channel is making around $200, $285 every single day ever since then, which is a lot of money if you ask me. Now, you might be asking me, Tommy, well, why did this channel do so well? It only has 31,000 subscribers, And in reality, it's because these top videos right here. And my videos are focused around one thing: value, and saving people money and making people money. So basically 3 things. What value can I give you? How can I make you money? How can I save you money? So the ATM video that got all those views, well, although it got a lot of views, it was because it had a lot of value in it and it helped people make and save money by not having to buy a course and just starting their business right now. And then all the other videos that you see right here, like phone flipping, budget, and then also like a laundromat for free, well, all these videos are real, contain real information, and on top of that, they save people money and they also make people a lot of money. So my entire idea of YouTube is you have to create content that, one, helps people, makes some money, and saves them money. If I can do that every single day, then I'm happy with my content, and I'm happy I'm making content every single day. And although we made $10,000 this month, and it's great and it's amazing, a lot of money if you ask me, well, I'm very happy with all the comments I get telling me, hey Tommy, I started my business, I did this, and I'm making this much money. To me, that's amazing and that's great, and it lets me know that, hey, I'm going in the right direction. Because although people make a lot of money on YouTube and they don't really add any value to anyone's life, well, I want to know that, hey, I'm making money, yes, but I'm also adding value to your life. Now, guys, that's basically it for the statistic, okay? I made $10,000 out of like 675,000 views, and that's a lot of money, yes, but in reality, I want to answer some questions that I know you have 1,000%, okay? Now, here are the questions. I'm going to answer exactly how much money do YouTube take from this money, and also how much money do I make consistently, okay? And what do I actually do with the money? These are great questions, right? Now, before I tell you guys exactly how much money YouTube took from this entire money, I want to answer one question here, and it's hey, Tommy, how long did it take you to make money on YouTube? And the answer is around 4 to 7 years. I've been making videos since I was like 12 years old, and I never thought about the money side until I got to this point, which is great money, yes, but in reality, if I only thought about the money back then, I wouldn't be here right now, because YouTube is very competitive, very hard, and you have to think about more than the money, because the money won't come for a long time. So if it doesn't come, you have to be willing to put in work every single day, no matter what. Create value, and eventually hard work will pay off and you will get money, but you can't just rely on money to give you motivation. And that's why I focus on just giving value and learning something new every single day. That's my entire goal every single day when I make a YouTube video. Now, the second question I want to answer here is, well, Tommy, why don't you monetize your channel more? Like, make more money from the channel. AdSense, Google, YouTube pays you $10,000, but why don't you have like brand deals, you know, like from like companies and all that fancy stuff? Well, the answer is this. This channel is very unique, and here's why. Because you guys are not stupid, you guys are not dumb, you guys are very smart. So I can't come on here and say like, hey, buy this Amazon product, or get this course, or do this and do that, because I know 100% you guys won't fall for that. And one, it goes against my ethical points, and two, well, it doesn't give you guys any value, and three, all they want me to do is basically sell my audience for $. And once I start selling you guys for $, you guys will be like, hey, this guy's just trying to get money from us. I don't want to come back here, and it's normal. And that's why I don't really advertise a lot of brands on my channel, because I don't want to have to, you know, be responsible for somebody else's product that doesn't add any value to you. And if you notice, guys, whenever I do talk about a product on this channel, well, it has to be a product that I use myself. And I only advertise the product on the channel after I used it for more than 5 months consistently, and it's actually added value to my life. Then I add value to you guys by telling you guys about it. But if it doesn't add any value to me, then I won't tell you guys about it whatsoever. I test things out before telling you, because you guys are like, you know, my family. I can't give you something that it doesn't work for me. Why would I give it to you? That's what I abide by. That's what I do. Now, the most famous question of them all. Tommy, how much money did YouTube take from this money? Well, the answer is, YouTube takes a lot of money, but in reality, my main thing is this. I appreciate YouTube because it gives me a platform where all I have to do is create content and make sure it has value in it, and then to do all the other work. So in reality, I made $10,000 net in full, but YouTube took around $9,000. So in reality, I would have made almost $20,000 this month if YouTube didn't take any money. But if I didn't have YouTube, I would have made $0 from YouTube, basically. Okay, so to me, it doesn't matter. YouTube is a great platform. It's like a partnership, so I'm willing to pay them so I can get paid and also create value on a platform that makes a lot of sense for me and I love for a long time. On top of that, Tommy, what do you do with this money? Well, the answer is this. I grab this money, I don't spend it, I put it in a savings account, and I use it to buy real estate when the time comes. That's about it. That's all I do. So I don't spend my money, because a lot of YouTubers out there, they think this is the new normal, like, hey, I'm going to make $10,000 every single month. Well, the answer is no. You're going to have good months, bad months. So I just like take all the money, I save it to invest it. I don't want to be that guy that has like a Lamborghini, and then next month he has like a Honda, and then next month he has like a bicycle. I don't want to be that guy. So I just save all my money and invest it. Oh, and one more thing, guys. A lot of people on YouTube don't talk about this, but in reality, this channel might have made $10,000 in September, but in reality, this channel has been around since 2015, September 23rd. So literally 3 years on this one channel, and in total, the channel has made, prior to this month, well, check this out, prior to 2019, this channel has made, I'll show you guys right here in the analytics, this channel has made $86.99. So for the first 3 years of this channel of posting hundreds and hundreds of videos, I only made $86.99. Now I'm talking about I posted well over 300 videos on this channel and I only made $86.99. And just to tell you guys some perspective here, each video took me around 10 hours back then to create. So that's the difference in just being in it for the money and being in it to make sure you actually create value. Because in reality, guys, that's why outside of YouTube, I have my own business that I don't rely on to make money. So for example, if I counted in my YouTube income plus my business income, gross, everything gross, I would have made $20,000 from YouTube and also like another $10,000 from my business, which is equal to like $30,000 in 1 month. So I never have to be biased in my channel. I make enough money on the side. Everything I do in this channel is all about providing value to you guys and not just about money. So that's why, although I made in 3 years $86 and got 2,000 subscribers, I didn't care. And I don't care about it still. It's all about creating value and making sure I'm learning something every single day and sharing it with you guys. And guys, as always, if you enjoyed this video, like the video. Thank you so much for stopping by. On top of that, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And before I go, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, just DM me on Instagram at TommyBryson. And on top of that, guys, if you guys want to watch more content on making money, businesses, and saving money, click this playlist right here. It contains all that stuff. It's my favorite one. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, hit this entire face right here and subscribe right now. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching and peace.